I'm rolling 350. I'm currently on the beach road in Bang Saray, Sattahip, Thailand. We're going to have a ride along the beach road. There's some nice sights to see. It's quite busy today, a lot of vendors around, a lot of people around because it's Sunday, so people are down for the weekend. Okay, I'm taking this video with my Insta360 X5. I'm on 5.7 straight video really at 4K, so let's see how this one works out. All the rest of the settings are pretty much automatic, because so obviously it's changeable weather at this time of year. It's rainy season, so you know we're going to get the lights in the dark, so leave it on auto. It's a lot better situation. Okay, let's go. There's loads of vendors there on the right hand side selling anything from the local cuisine to Coca-Cola. Always busy at the weekends. The Thais love to come down here from Bangkok. Maybe an hour and a half trip. Spend a bit of time on the beach with the families and everything, you know, and have a really good time. Look at it, it's decent weather today. As I mentioned earlier, it is rainy season, so everything is hit and miss, you know. About 10 minutes ago, we're banging it down here. And I live about 10 minutes away from here. And there was no rain whatsoever, so, you know, as I say, it's a bagatelle really. Anyways, okay, let's go. Restaurants on the right hand side there. Lots of small bars. Keeps the local population fed and watered. You see here now we're getting held up by these vendors' carts. So many vendors here today. You know, they've only got a few months a year to make the money, so they come out in force when the customers are around. A nice sunny day, a bank holiday, Buddha holiday, whatever. There's always so many people around, and that's great, I think, you know. Give them a chance to earn a living. The thing in Thailand is you don't see people begging, you know. Everybody will have a go at something at least to make a living. And I think that's a great aspect of Thai people, good quality. Okay, we've come to the end now. There's a small cafe shaped like a boat in the corner. And I'm just going to get in a shaded spot because it is so hot today. Thanks for